around. This is our 21st running of this race. Yeah. Right here, standing next to me, is your president of the community library here, Mr. Joe Mayorana. Thank you so much for showing up, and have a great run. I'd also like to introduce, along with Joe, our other trustees. We have Ms. Nancy Mark, Joe Faneri, Mike Dubois, and Wendy Gross. Come on over here with me here. And our executive director, Carrie Rosalie, if you don't mind. It is my great pleasure right now to introduce our Suffolk County legislator from the 3rd District, Mr. Jim Mazzarella. Good morning. Good morning. There you go. And welcome to the awesome Suffolk County Smith Point Park. Welcome all runners. Shout out for our park rangers and our Suffolk County Police Department for all that they've been doing. At this time, I'd like to introduce our Town of Brookhaven Supervisor, Mr. Ed Romaine.
Thank you so much. I've made just about every one of these runs because this is great. Your run is going to help the Community Library Family Literacy Program, the William Floyd Scholarship Fund, and the Learn and Read program.